Ever wondered how AI could transform a business from the ground up? Well, let me introduce you to Finley's Fast Food, a fake business I've created to test AI tools in the real world. So let's dive into my plan of attack. To start with, hi, my name's Finley. I'm an aspiring entrepreneur and AI enthusiast. In this series that I've created, I'm taking a fake business, Finley's Fast Food, and taking a fictional business and using it as a testing playground to explore how AI tools like automations, chatbots, and voice assistants, all through websites like make.com and VoiceFlow, can make businesses smarter and more efficient. In today's episode, we'll break down Finley's Fast Food itself and its menu, its operations, and what systems it currently has and what we need to automate within it. Think of this episode as kind of the plan of attack for the future. Here's the menu. We've got some burgers, we've got some fries, drinks, combos, and dessert. The Finley's Fast Food is kind of just like a small family style burger joint. What are the goals for the business? We want to improve customer experience using a chatbot, create these through VoiceFlow, so they can answer FAQs, so frequently asked questions, and we could even try and integrate ordering systems. You could ask it, hey, I would like to look at your menu, and then if they say, oh yeah, that sounds really nice, can I try it? You'll be able to take an order, throw it through the system, and then more money for the company. You could even streamline operations. You could automate email responses. If you had a customer that inquired in saying, what time are you open? I'd really love to try your food. You could get an AI to respond back immediately, and it'd be really fast and efficient. And also, we could use AI in Finley's Fast Food to boost engagement. So we could have AI generated promos or loyalty programs. You might send out a bulk load of emails to all your previous customers saying, hi, we're currently running a new promo in store where if you buy a burger, you get a free pack of fries, or any sorts of things like that could boost engagement within the company. A small business like Finley's Fast Food would have to be able to manage orders, customer questions, and be able to manage all the marketing strategies that the company might have, all while keeping costs low, because the less cost, the more profit for the business owners. So if I make myself a little bit smaller, you can see the next steps I've created. To start with, we want to create a chatbot for customer questions. If you asked what's on the menu, you'll be able to, the bot would ask you a series of questions to find out what you like, what you want to try, and all sorts of stuff, and be able to recommend personalised things just for you. And the next one, automate email campaigns. We might have set promos that you can take part in. So it might, like I said before, it might be like, currently in store we are offering, with the purchase of a burger, you can get some fries free of charge as a thank you for coming back and enjoying food with us. So finally, what I've just got to say is this is just the beginning for Finley's Fast Food. We've got the concept, we've got the menu, we've got the vision of stuff we want to improve, and now it's time to actually start making the AI and making gains in the company. So thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.